Hello beautiful people, it is Saturday today. We're heading to IKEA. As I told you guys yesterday, I filmed a video on this Selena Gomez makeup line, which will be up on my channel on Wednesday. I did a live with you guys this morning. It was super fun. Thank you for everyone who actually joined the live. It was really fun. If you guys want me to do more live on Instagram, let me know. I really did enjoy sharing my makeup stuff with you guys. We're heading to IKEA. I will show you what we're gonna be doing and the stuff that there is at IKEA. Give you a little tour, since you know some of you guys don't really go to the stores, so I will show you guys that. And for now, it's a beautiful day, a bit chilly, beautiful day otherwise. The sun is out. I will catch up with you guys later on. I will show you what we're up to, and bye.
Yeah, we are in the place of
guys, I am back from IKEA. We had Nandos for lunch. I'm gonna show you what I've gotten from IKEA. I've gotten this thing. It helps you put your shoe on. Don't know how it's called, but this one is in metal. We had one in plastic that it was broken, just because each time you try to bend it and put it in through your shoe. So we got one from IKEA. We got the bag from IKEA as well. We use that for grocery a lot, so we needed another one, so we got that. And OMG, I'm very excited about this. I got that. It's like a cushion for your laptop, so you put it right here if you're sitting, and you put it on top of your on your lap type of thing. So you put it on your lap. This is the cushiony part, and then you put your laptop on. It's really good for me for editing when I'm just around in the house and in the room, just chilling on the bed. This is a really good surface, and it's very light, so I got that. Very handy. Fitted sheet in beige. I like my my fitted sheets to be neutral, so I've got that. I love IKEA's bed sheet stuff that they have. Fitted sheets, the pillowcases, the duvet covers, everything is really good, especially when you wash it. It's so soft, so really love that. Basically, the one that is currently on the bed right now, the crazy print, is from IKEA as well. Love that. They always do really good prints. Currently they do have really nice print that I was super excited to actually get, but obviously I don't need that, so I didn't get it. But fitted sheets I needed, so I got the beige. We needed this pan. We only have one, so we use that all the time, so we've gotten this one. It's deep for deeper dish, so you can fry stuff, you can saute vegetables and all that good stuff. Got that to cover anything, maybe your tea if you want. You can cover your food, basically any bowls that you have or any cups. That's really good. And I think it's made in silicone. It's silicone, I'm not too sure, but got that. So got this gelatin free gummies. It's sweet jellies with gooseberry, apple and pear flavor, which I'm very excited about to have. It's I really like that kind of flavor, and they have really cute heart type of shape, so I got that. And then lastly, something that I'm super excited about, I think you guys would be really interested, and when I do put that and I do make it, it's a DIY type of thing. But in this room we don't really have a mirror, so we didn't want to buy a mirror in terms of a long full length body mirror anyway, because we're not planning to staying here. So we wanted to have a mirror because I want to have a mirror for my YouTube, for outfit of the days, for any outfits that I want to actually film. These mirror that you can actually stick onto your wall, it comes with double-sided tape. I've gotten 8, so what I will do is, so like that on each end, and basically 4 on one end, 4 on the other end, and you get to have a full mirror, full length mirror. I'm gonna leave maybe this type of gap in between them type of thing, but you'll get, it's so cheap. It's $12. It's $1.50 for each, and it's very light, especially if you're living in condos or even a house. Dry walls are not very steady, and you don't want to stick on something that's heavy. This is super light, so we got 3 of those for $12. I mean, to get a full length mirror for $12, that's amazing. That's such a nice, amazing hack, that, you know, a cheap hack that you can. And I will show you guys the actual aftermath of it, after I've done that. I have a side next to the door, just behind the door, I have this space that I want to use to put in those tiles, those wall mirror thing. So yeah, I will show you how it looks like when I do that. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will catch up with you guys very soon. Don't forget to give that video a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.